Good morning. It's the third day in Dubrovnik with Margi. We are going on one of the islands. We're going to an island, Sipan. And on this island, there is a restaurant called Bowa. And our friend works there. Where are we going?
Bowa!
And where is Bowa?
On Sipan!
The only way to get to this restaurant is with a boat. So we're gonna go with a boat with all the other stuff of this restaurant. It's gonna be so fun! Bye! Hello! One of these little huts and have a lunch there. And I think they're also planning to do weddings here. Wow, this is amazing. Look at the color of this water. Starfishes!
Oh, you're so cute.
I cannot explain how I feel here. It's so relaxing and zen. It's really nice. If you ever get a chance to come to Bowa, you should. It's only 30 minutes with a boat from Dubrovnik, old town, and it's so worth it. We're waiting for lunch. We're gonna eat lunch soon, but we arrived with the crew in the morning, so we already had a little something, and like the food was already so good. It was just chicken and potatoes, and it was so yummy. We are staying in one of those cabanas, that's how they call it. They have set a table, there are sun chairs over there, but the best part is, wait for it, there it is. Honestly, the best part of being here is what's behind me. Can you believe this view? I feel like that's a TV behind me and this is not even real. I know that when I come back home and I'm looking at this video, I'm gonna be like, was that there? I don't need anything else in my life. It's so nice. Ajoj!
Welcome drink.
Hvala!
Antoine.
Antoine.
S'il vous plaît.
Ah, to je ovo.
Wow.
No nije to, još imamo još nešto.
Yummy. So good. Margi. Margi is left speechless. It is so good. We ate the whole octopus. This is tempura octopus. And these are oysters. We didn't even get there, but oh my god. This is amazing. General manager smile. There's a problem for every solution.
Tell me a problem and please start from the top. Sipan ima najveći broj maslina drveća u Europi u Guinness rekordom.
Wow.
Fun fact. Margi, ti voliš. Intertesting.
We're on our final course, and as Maya said, probably the most important one, which is dessert. And we just feel so spoiled over here. Margi, right?
Right.
So spoiled.
So spoiled.
Feeling like,
Hello.
hi Maya! This is the lady who made all of this happen.
Look.
All in yellow.
Oh my god, yes!
Look.
Twinning!
Twinning.
This is a watermelon sorbet, cheesecake with
Evan pun kuper
caramel and apples,
Nije.
and I don't really know what that is. When you come down from the cabanas and the lounge, there is a wine cellar here that you can go in. Wow, it's really cool in here. This is prosciutto. And then you walk straight onto the beach. We're trying out the water. We're trying out the waterproofness of this bag.
And it works.
I wasn't on it.
I did.
Bye, Bowa. It's been nice. We're gonna miss you. Bye. What a wonderful experience. Do come here if you find yourself on Adriatic coast in Croatia. Bowa is something that you'll remember for your entire life. So this is the trash from the restaurant, and there are seagulls following the boat because they know that this is food for them. He's releasing food from the restaurant, which is just all natural, and seagulls were following us because they know that they're gonna get this food, and they eat it all. This is like recycling at its best. Truly biodegradable. Good day, everyone. Today is the 4th day of our adventures in Dubrovnik, and we have decided to visit one island that's literally across from our balcony. We've been staring at it ever since we came here. It's called Lokrum. Lokrum is an island that doesn't have any traffic, any cars, anything that's not natural, and there are peacocks walking everywhere, and you can hear this crickets. So the way to get to this island is with a boat. There's only one official boat that goes back and forth between Dubrovnik, Old Town, and the island, and it costs about 200 kunas return ticket, and you can depart with either boat and come back with any boat on any time. So it's really flexible. You don't have to book a slot in advance. You can just show up, buy a ticket, and off you go. The good thing to know is if you are Croatian, you should bring your iksica it's like a student card, to Dubrovnik, because a lot of things are reduced, like heavily reduced if you are a student. So for example, I still have my old iksica, and instead of 200 kunas, I paid 30 kunas, which is so much cheaper. So that's a good thing to know. We barely noticed it because it's camouflaged with the nature. They are just freely walking around like they own the place, and they do own the place. Wow, he's so pretty. You are pretty. Wow. Look at those colors. Margi is the brave one of the three of us. Wow! Oh, today was just really nice. We are catching a boat back to the old town, and we have a dinner reservation at Botashare, which is a sushi restaurant, I think. And it is the same group, wow. It is the same group as Bowa, where we went yesterday. And this is literally my last dinner in Dubrovnik. And then I am flying to America tomorrow to go meet my fiance and his family. I can't believe this is it. Can you hear that? Crickets. It smells like sea and pine trees, and it just smells like seaside in summer. And I'm not even tanned, not even slightly enough to be heading off the coast. So there's that. Off to the airport now, saying goodbye to this beautiful place. into the new adventures. Quick room tour before I leave in literally 2 minutes. This is our bedroom and our mess because we're packing. The bathroom is super tiny. Oh, hello there. Super tiny, but we does the job, and we definitely use the washing machine.
Hashtag gold.
Hashtag getting old. And upstairs you climb into a tiny kitchen, but it's really cute, and I really like this mirror. This is my travel outfit. And definitely the best part of the entire apartment is this view. This view. This is the old town. Oops. This is the old town. This is Lokrum, the island where we were yesterday. And this is my favorite flower. Guys, what I've just been through, I wouldn't want on anyone. I don't want to wish that on anyone. So this is how my hair looks like after a 10-hour flight, by the way, just in case you were wondering what is happening with this on my head. So the last that you've seen is me going towards the airport, actually waving to Margi at the airport. So my flight from Dubrovnik to New York was delayed by an hour and a half. So, and it's a 10-hour flight. So I had a connecting flight to Chicago from New York. But since my first flight was delayed, I was late to my second flight. Not only me, there was at least 14 people from my flight. Hello United, I'm looking at you. From our flight that was late to that flight. I was late for 7 minutes. The plane didn't take off yet. The boarding closed 7 minutes ago, and the plane was still very much just standing there. It was like a painting. And 7 minutes in, and it was the last flight for Chicago for that day, for today, and it's gone. Gone! Just like that. Long story short, I'm in a hotel room today. My flight, they rebooked my flight for tomorrow morning, so I'm leaving tomorrow at 10. So hopefully by noon I'll be in Chicago, reunited with Jackie. But yeah, this is my first time staying in an airport hotel. I've never stayed in an airport hotel. So let's show you this. So you go on in, and on your right is a bathroom, and it's a decent bathroom for a... Hello there. It's a decent bathroom for a hotel airport, to be honest. I'm looking forward to having this shower. And I've gotten a room with 2 big beds. How am I gonna choose? Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer to sleep by the window or by the wall? I think I'm gonna choose that one because it's further away from the doors. Yeah, that's my bed. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. And I'm gonna show you this amazing view. This gorgeous view on the trash. The sunset is nice though. And you can see the planes taking off here. But that is a little bit creepy. See that light flickering? Excuse me, what are you doing? Stop it. Oh my God.
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story.
Second try today on boarding this flight, trying to make it to Chicago. Jokes aside, we're fine. We came here extra early. Our flight is at 10:30, so we came 2 hours, 3 hours sooner. So we're all through security, check-in. But just a side note, if you're ever traveling to America or through America, if you ever have to deal with an airport in America, make sure to pick like at least 3 hours in between your flights, because airports in America are very crowded, extremely crowded, and very often you have to travel between terminals, so make sure to have that extra time. We are sitting at this place, and look how cool this ordering is. I'm thinking about getting waffles, but I might get some eggs with that. I got hot chocolate and waffles, and then you can add gratuity. Yay! Just like that. Oh my god, I always forget how big portions are in America. This is one breakfast. Holy moly. Guys, so I got a fork and a knife. Fork is normal metal fork, but knife is plastic. It's not metal. And Jasna over there, she's very smart. She said this is because there's a lot of attacks and terrorist attacks, so people wouldn't like use this as a weapon. My mind is blown. I can't believe this. We made it! Finally getting to Chicago. I can't believe after all this saga. Look what I found in the plane. God, I'm literally just coming back from there. Look who we have here. He's so excited to see me. He's not even watching me. What do you have to say to me?
I love you. I miss you.
We have made it to Chicago. And I'm gonna end this vlog right here because it's been a journey, my friends, and it's been a long one. You know what to do. Subscribe if you want to see the following vlog in Chicago. And what else is there to say? I don't know, just bye.